Hello, everybody. This really is the last lap. I want to start by thanking all of the speakers. I think it's a shame we don't get continuing education credit for this because I think the last 2 days have been amazingly worthwhile and much better than most of the courses I usually have to take. So I really deeply appreciate that, and also the really active involvement of the people that were typing in questions and fully engaged. I think what we're going to do is put on the spot the three leaders of the three panels for today to have an initial comment. If you would like to comment about your own session, and then we'll get a little more interactive and open it to the full planning committee. So, Howard, would you like to go first?